Hey, you're on the CryptoAdvance channel and we have another project today, and this one is the Learn Near Club. Before we get any further, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research, and again, only invest and participate in projects with funds that you would be willing to lose. But Learn Near Club is more of a project for learners. This isn't a place for free money seekers. However, if you participate in the Learn ecosystem and community, you can actually get bonus rewards and earn money from it, which is very, very cool. So again, everything is linked down below. This is the Learn Near Club. Learn how to use and build on the Near and earn Near. All inclusive hands-on onboarding platform to the Near protocol, collecting Near ecosystem projects to proactive community members via the Earn method, supported by Near Foundation. So we have three main guides here: what is Near protocol, the top 7 Near NFT projects, and what you can do on Near protocol. So there are nearly 50,000 learners, from enthusiasts to experienced developers, participate in a wide sector of real life activities. The blockchain is organized to be permissionless, performant and secure enough to create a strong decentralized data layer for the new web. While interacting on NLC, which is the Learn Near Club, you will receive N-Learns, NLC internal points. Look at them as bonuses for outstanding learners happy learning. Then again, you want to start with Near Guides, then there's a course, and then the Learner NFT. They have a certified developer program course, which is really good. So they are basically teaching you for free, and you can become a part of the ecosystem for Near and learn as you're going along and get some bonus rewards. So all guides start learning, and then of course you can get the latest. What are Learner NFTs? So there's an NFT collection recently dropped on the Near ecosystem. Again, if you don't know what an NFT is, you can read this. It is a non-fungible token, a JPEG picture. But now, what is this Learner NFT collection? It's a collaboration between the Learn Near Club, NLC, and Denis Bashev, one of the best award-winning graphic designers in Europe. So the design concept is based on dynamic human intelligence diversity, powered by the uniqueness of every learner. Every human is a unique individual and has diverse learning patterns, strengths, and weaknesses. The Learner NFT collection aims to highlight the individuality of each learner and how different cogs interact with the machine to create a holistic person, each with their own unique dreams, fears, experiences, and personality. For those unfamiliar how we learn on a scientific level, here it is. Basically your neurons, etc. The idea of stick figures based on the human nervous system. These segments of stick people are composed by layers, and then the character imposes the body of countless combinations of neural connections. The color palette was selected by Dennis to bring life and add a more playful tone to the stick people. It symbolizes the joy of learning. The joy of learning isn't something that can just be felt with instant gratification. It's also a culmination of all the ways the thirst for new skills and knowledge has improved your life and those around you. So minting. All NFT minters are invited to participate in this project. The mint will start from 2 Near and gradually increase as the collection grows towards its 10,000 NFT limit. Minters can generate software. The software generates a random posture with a mix of colors as many times as you like. So once you get the Learner NFT, so you can get the Learn NFT you want. Most NFTs on market are generated from pre-built models, but the Learner NFTs have a virtually unlimited number of combinations, so your NFT is truly unique to you. I think this is the first time I have seen an NFT where you can basically regenerate it until you basically get a position of your character that you like, which is really, really cool. You can give it a name. Again, you can mint it on the Near blockchain, collect as many as you want, and curate your own original personal collection. And then again, you can trade, buy and sell them on the Near NFT marketplace. And the Learner NFT benefits. So not only do you get an NFT, you get handy perks. You get a 2-hour early access to redeem the Near window, proof of mint, and more features to come. In conclusion, it's a cutting edge NFT collection. And again, it's limited to 10,000 NFTs. So if you're looking at one, get one while you can. Next up, we have the Near Power user. So you need to enroll into this but you can become a power user and you can stake to learn. And of course you need to actually apply for this or connect with your own Near wallet. So the ecosystem is very, very deep here for Near. Again, we have some basic guides, but I feel like a lot of people will be interested in the earning section. So again, what are N-Learns? They are Learn Club internal points powering the learning economy. N-Learns are not tokens, they do not have monetary values. Think of them as mini scholarships. Both creators and learners get N-Learns during a learning. So how do you earn them? Visiting the N Club, sharing guides, referring friends, read guides, pass quizzes, learn at courses, and you can spend them to enroll on courses, redeem for special offers for Near partners, redeem during redeeming windows, and you can tip authors for guides. So you basically can learn, get N-Learns, and then you can actually spend them for more programs and courses. It's basically like you're getting a uni or a college learning experience for free, which is pretty cool. Again, here you can see to log in, you log in with your Near wallet. Then we have some stuff about attackers. Don't waste your talent trying to farm them. Hopping, don't submit useless feedback, etc. Actively try and learn in the platform. We don't want bad actors, which I completely understand. So here we can see all of these certified developers gallery. It's cool, everybody gets their own sort of ENS name, .near, which is pretty cool. So we have 222 certified developers on here. Next up, we can look at build on Near. So again, this is what you would need to enroll in. Stake to earn. So I believe you would need 16 N-Learns to actually apply into the build on Near. So of course you would have to actually interact, share guides, get affiliates. Yeah, so again, the next one was how to deploy your smart contract. You would need 2 N-Learns for that. Here we can see create your testnet account, set up your IDE, writing your first smart contract, deploying your smart contract on the blockchain. So they are full in-depth built courses that you can use to learn with the NLC, the Learn Near Club. And it is quite a unique project in crypto themselves. I haven't really seen too many other things like this. And I believe if you're interested, and again, crypto is the future, you want to get learning now so you have all of the skills to start building your own projects. Again, we can have a quick look at the top 7 Near NFT projects. Again, we know here you can see a sort of questions. Which of the following is an NFT? And we can actually get 2 N-Learns from that. So I would select digital collectible and we get 2 N-Learns. Now from earning these 2 N-Learns, I could actually go and enroll into one of the courses, which is pretty cool. Again, we've got more questions. It's a full learning platform. Again, I would say it's a lot better for you guys to check it out yourself. Start earning now and maybe even get your own custom NFT. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, thank you for watching the CryptoAdvance channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.